If you be woman and you no know how to fix your own latches by yourself, for dis video I go dey teach you how you go fit take dey fix your own latches, eyelashes by yourself. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you go dey watch dis video from. My pipu, I greet all of una according to una time. So the first thing wey be say you go need your hair bond. I don already show you. You go need your latches pin. Dem dey sell am for Tunisia market, if you dey for Europe. Na 100 dey dey sell, e no even cost. Then you go need dis one latches. So dis particular one, e dey come with I think 4 line, yes. So first of all, you go pick am. The way I take dey pick am, so you go pick am, you go pick 2 together, pin am for your palm, just like so, as una dey see am for the video, because e get im own natural gum. So once you just put am for your palm like dis, the thing go just gum for there. You see am like dis. So pick 2 line, put am for your palm. Then you take your bond, your hair bond. E still get latches glue wey be say dem dey mix join the bond, but me no like dat one because dat one too dey pepper for eye. I no dey like put dat one. So dis bond na e no too dey hot and e still dey okay. So na im make I dey use only bond. Just pour only small bond for your palm. Then you collect your latches pin, which is dis one wey be say una dey see right now. You fit even use eye mascara fit take comb your normal lashes first, if na your first time. But as for me, as I don dey do am, no need for me to use mascara take eye mascara first take comb my natural eyelashes. So guys, I be just set the phone for tripod. I dey use my phone take dey do am before from the camera, but the thing no just let me do. Na I say make I go bathroom, make I go use mirror. The same time I come put my phone. So like dis now, I dey inside my bathroom. Na my bathroom mirror na I dey use. So you go dey put am one like that for your eye. Dey just dey clip am, dey put am one. Where you like, for me now, I no dey like carry am reach dis other side, make e no go dey chook my eye. So e go look like that. If you that kind person be like me, be say dey always dey scratch eye because of latches, because if I fix latches especially that already made own, e no dey even dey reach one day. Like I just leave am for some hour, I go comot am because why? The thing too dey scratch me. But dis particular one, if I fix am, because na only me fix am, I no dey fix am go the corner side well well, the thing no dey chook my eye. So I will know how to take dey put am. So watch the video, just the way I take dey, you see the way I take put am. I no carry am go that side, make e no go dey chook my eye. And if you wan dey put your own, if you wan dey put the latches for your eye, abeg no carry am come down well well. Just put am for where your normal latches dey. Clip am with the bond together for there. The thing go clip there. You no need to just carry am go down well well. If una see am now, I tried as much as I can to put the phone well, so that una go dey see the way I take dey do am. You understand? So just put am, but no too carry am near your eyeball. No too carry am go down. Just put am for where, just like so, the way it is, the way una dey see am right now. Just put am for the normal latches. The bond, you go clip your normal latches, which is the hair. Once you just clip am like this, you clip am together with this latches wey be say you dey put. So you no need to carry am go down well well. Just dey put am one like this until you control am. Put am for where you know say, if you put am there, the thing no go too dey scratch your eye. E no go scratch your eye sef. So you go just look like that, control am, put am for the places wey you know say if e dey na, the thing no go, e no go touch your eye. So as una see the way I take dey do my own now, and once you don put am one like that, as you don put am, you go dey put the other ones inside. Just dey feel am, dey go put am on top of the latches. The first one wey you don first put, you go carry the second one, you go clip am on top of the latches, the one you don first put. So I don already do the first the one eye. I wan do the other one now. So na you see I dey use my hand take dey arrange my normal latches. Na like I take put am, just the way una take see am for the first the first eye wey I first do just now. Just dey put am like that, one. After you don first put the one round, put for where you know say you wan make e be, you go come dey, because you know say the latches dey come, e dey come 4 line. So just put am like that. So once you put the first line finish, second wey be say you wan put, just dey put am on top of the first one, the first line wey be say you don first put together with the bond. Everything go just click. So once you do am like this finish, the next thing wey you need to do, you let your latches dry small, like 1 minute after. Then you come wet your hand, you come dey press am together the way I take dey press am for the video right now. Press am together like this with the bond and everything the thing go come clip your normal eyelashes, e go come make am gum well. Like dis now, you fit carry dis lashes reach 1 month. Shey una see am say I dey even dey show una say I no too carry the lashes go down make e no go dey chook my eye, na make me dey show una so. So you just dey clip am together, dey click am together like dis, the thing go strong. Once e don strong like dis, you fit carry dis lashes reach 1 month, e no go pull. So guys, how you see the video? Abeg, if you know say you dey watch this to dis point and you never like, abeg help me like the video, help me comment, help me share the video, and also help me follow the page if you never follow the page. Thank you all so much for sticking around with me to those points. I really appreciate every one of you. So na like dis na how take fix the lashes. So how una see am? Shey e fine abi? See with my okpolo eye. Guys, thank you all so much. I will leave you guys here now till next time. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.